Today you're going to be completing a thinking map for your favorite planet. So just like our other thinking maps, you have 4 facts here that you're going to tell me about the planet you pick. So I wanted to share with you our virtual classroom because it looks a little bit different than normal. So on here, you have all different kinds of planet videos, a planet art project, some books, but then you have more pages than just one. You'll be able to click the arrow and you will see each of our planets in our solar system. So make sure that on the first page, I'm gonna go back up, you watch some of these videos to get an idea which planet you're most interested in. Then when you found a planet, so say I really like Mars, I'm going to go through the classrooms until I find Mars. Oh, here's Mars. I'd click the video so I can watch facts and find out more facts about Mars. And that way I have facts to write in my thinking map. So once you're done, make sure you take a picture of your thinking map and let me know what you've learned about your planet. You're going to be writing about your planet tomorrow, so make sure you have all your facts down so it makes your writing easier tomorrow.